actually started snowing right now.
Hi guys, I'm Charlotta and welcome back to my channel. In my last video I shared with you some snowy sceneries from Finland during my stay there over Christmas, and also how I made a snow lantern using that fresh snow that we got every single day. It was snowing from morning till evening. And this is how you responded. Many of you said that you live in a country that is too warm or too hot to get fresh snow. So that is why I decided to share in this video how to make fake snow at home that you can use for your toddlers to play with as sensory play. And to make this, you actually only need 2 ingredients, which you probably might have at home already, which is cornstarch and hair conditioner. And then you simply mix it together to make a nice consistency that isn't too sticky but is wet enough to knead together, and it will stay together. So once you kneaded it long enough and you get the consistency that you like, where you don't put too much conditioner because then it gets too sticky, and it's strong enough to make into a snowball, then your snow is ready. So now you can create a sensory tray for your toddlers to play with. You can add some things like a wooden spoon, and in this one I added pine cones and some shapes for them to create things out of. And the kids quite like this. I would recommend putting a splash mat on the table because they do tend to get quite a lot outside of the tray as well, and it's just quicker and easier to tidy up afterwards if you have a splash mat. But now let me show you some more snowy sceneries from Finland.
Following these footprints, let's see who it is. So that's where we're going swimming. Or maybe some, I'm not sure if I'm gonna jump in there, but...
As a tradition in Finland, they go out ice swimming, so they make a hole in the ice and then jump in and stay there for a few seconds and then go back in the sauna to heat up. And this is meant to be quite good for your health and your blood pressure, and kind of wakes up your body. But to my luck or unluck, however you want to put it, they didn't open the ice at this point when I was there. So I didn't need to go into the freezing cold water, but I went into the jacuzzi instead.
I'm actually barefoot in the snow right now. It actually started snowing right now. It doesn't show on the camera, but snow is coming down as we are enjoying the jacuzzi. Did you put it in the water? You crazy man.
It's alright. It's waterproof.
Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below. See you next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.